everyone, welcome to Thai Cooking YouTube channel. Now we are in the soup season. I've decided to show you how to make this delicious chicken barley soup. To begin preparing your ingredients for this quick and simple soup, first I chopped 2 medium-sized onions. For the soup, I minced them so after cooking you won't see any large pieces of onion in the soup. If you want to make smaller portion of the soup size, you can divide the amount of the ingredients which are listed in the description by half. Next, start to chop your parsley. Remove the stems and keep the leaves. You can use the stem later by freezing them to make stock. Chop, 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 as you see here. I'm adding 1 pound of mushrooms for the soup since I love the flavor of mushrooms. All of the ingredients here can be adjusted based on your liking. If you don't like mushrooms, just leave them out. I use a grater to make strips of the carrots. The shape is up to you. You can even chop the carrots into cubes if you prefer. I just like them to be smaller, but not too small or thin. That's why I'm using the big size of the grater. I washed and pre-soaked 1 cup of parsley for 1 hour and then added this to my instant pot. As you see, the size is doubled after soaking it. Then add 2 cups of broth and 1 cup of water to the pots. Add your spices. I use pepper, onion powder, thyme, and ginger. Don't use colored spices like paprika or turmeric since we want the color of the soup remain white. Then add your chopped onion to the pot. At this time, you can add your chicken. I like to include the chicken leg and wings when I make the soup, since they give better taste to the soup. You can use chicken breast or other parts of the chicken based on your preference. Let this cook on high pressure for half an hour, or if you don't have a pressure cooker, cook them for 1.5 hours until the barleys are cooked. After cooking the chicken and barley on high pressure for half an hour, take out the chicken, shred them, and set them aside. And use a blender to partially blend the barleys. We want to thicken the soup from the barley's starch by doing this. Add your mushrooms, carrots, and shredded chicken with 2 cups of room temperature milk to the soup. Mix, mix, mix. For the milk, my option is always grass-fed organic milk. If you can use the grass-fed, it tastes better, and also whole milk is better for the soup because it makes it creamier. Taste the soup, add salt based on your liking, and adjust the seasoning. Then cook it on low pressure for 15 minutes until the carrots and mushroom are cooked and all of the flavors combine. After 15 minutes, last but not least, temper your 1 cup of heavy cream with your soup as you see here. And then add your heavy cream to the soup to make it creamier. You can adjust the amount of cream based on your preference. Then add your chopped parsley before serving the soup. Here is a time lapse of me garnishing the soup, and I hope you liked the video. نوش جان. The soup is so good that I couldn't wait to eat it. I hope you make this warm and delicious soup during these cold days, and if you want me to make any specific recipes, include it in the comment section for me and I'll try my best to share the recipe with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!